Would you believe that small, simple actions you do every day could make your cat never forgive you? While cats may appear distant and independent, they are actually highly sensitive and remember more than you think. From seemingly harmless behaviors to unexpected mistakes, these moments can not only hurt your cat's trust, but also have a lasting impact on your relationship with your furry companion. It's easy to unintentionally make these mistakes, whether it's not paying attention to your actions or reacting inappropriately to your cat's behavior. The good news is, you can fix them. In this guide, we'll uncover 10 common actions cat owners often do that may break their cat's trust and make them feel hurt. More importantly, you'll learn how to avoid or address these missteps to not only mend, but also deepen your bond with your cat. If you want to better understand the intricate mind of cats and avoid becoming the villain in their story, don't forget to subscribe to our channel today. We'll bring you helpful tips and fascinating insights to help you become the best friend your cat could ever ask for. 1. Loud voices and noise, a source of stress for cats. Cats possess an incredibly sensitive sense of hearing that far surpasses human capabilities. In the wild, their finely tuned ears help detect the faintest sounds of prey. But in a household environment, this remarkable ability can become a burden. The hum of a vacuum cleaner, sudden loud noises, or even raised voices can make cats feel alarmed and uneasy. For cats, these sounds are not just unpleasant. They are perceived as threats that disrupt their sense of peace and security. Cats exposed to constant loud noises often display signs of stress, such as hiding, avoiding interaction, or becoming disconnected from their owners. Over time, this stress can lead to health issues like digestive problems or compulsive grooming habits. Noise is not just an auditory disturbance for cats. It's a silent pressure that directly impacts their emotional well-being. How to fix it? Creating a quiet haven for your cat. To help your cat feel secure, it's essential to create a calm and peaceful environment. Speak to them in a gentle tone, avoiding yelling or sudden loud noises that might startle them. If your home is often noisy, consider using sound-reducing solutions such as carpets or thick curtains to help soften the noise. Additionally, provide a quiet, private area, a small corner, or a separate room where your cat can retreat whenever they feel overwhelmed. This space isn't just a hiding spot, it's a safe zone where they can regain their composure. With a few simple adjustments to your living environment, you can significantly reduce your cat's stress and create a harmonious space where they feel truly secure and comfortable. 2. Teasing and annoying. When playfulness turns into harm. Have you ever thought that small, playful acts like poking, pulling a cat's tail, or startling them could leave a lasting impression on their mind? For you, it might be a moment of harmless fun, but for your cat, these actions can shake their sense of security, something they hold incredibly dear. Cats are sensitive creatures, relying on stability and routines to feel safe. Even a single teasing incident can become an unforgettable memory, making them avoid you or even fear your approach. Imagine if your world were suddenly disrupted by actions you couldn't understand or control. How would you feel? For cats, every teasing moment is a breach of trust, a small crack in a bond built on safety and understanding. Over time, this can lead to lasting reactions, such as avoidance or increased defensiveness, ultimately weakening the relationship between you and your feline companion. How to fix it? Rebuilding trust? Put yourself in your cat's shoes and respect their boundaries. Instead of teasing, spend quality time engaging them in gentle, playful activities. Use safe toys like feather wands, small balls, or interactive gadgets to help your cat release energy and enjoy themselves. This approach not only strengthens their trust in you, but also builds a relationship founded on mutual respect and affection. When cats feel protected and understood, they'll be more open, bringing you closer moments of warmth and happiness. Remember, love and patience are the keys to forging a deep connection with your cat, making them feel safe and always eager to be by your side. 3. Declawing, a misguided but painful action. Declawing is often misunderstood as a solution to scratching behavior, but in reality, it's a painful procedure equivalent to amputating the last joint of a human finger. The consequences are not only physical pain, but also behavioral changes, leaving cats unbalanced and stripping away the joy from their lives. How to fix it? Respecting a cat's natural instincts. Instead of declawing, provide your cat with scratching posts and mats where they can channel their natural instincts. You can also use silicone nail caps as a safe alternative, protecting your furniture while keeping your cat comfortable. Embrace their claws. They are a vital part of who they are and a source of feline pride. 4. Playing too rough. When fun turns into confusion. Playtime is essential for cats to release energy and practice their hunting instincts. However, using your hands or feet to play can confuse them, blurring boundaries. Over time, this can lead to aggressive or destructive behavior as they grow older. How to fix it? Play the right way. Use safe toys like feather wands or small balls to engage your cat. This approach not only protects you, but also allows your cat to express their hunting instincts in a healthy and enjoyable way. 5. Harsh discipline. Breaking trust instead of building it. Cats don't understand discipline the way we expect. Yelling, hitting, or spraying water only instills fear. Not understanding, these actions damage your cat's trust and strain your relationship. How to fix it? Encourage. Don't punish. Opt for positive reinforcement instead of punishment. Praise or reward your cat when they display desired behaviors, like using a scratching post or litter box correctly. This approach encourages repetition of good habits while preserving trust and harmony. 6. Neglecting the little things. Small actions. Big impact. Small tasks like trimming your cat's nails or keeping their litter box clean are crucial for their health and comfort. Ignoring these details can lead to health issues and make your cat feel neglected or unimportant. How to fix it? Prioritize their needs. Take time to groom your cat regularly to prevent matting or hairballs. Keep their litter box consistently clean to ensure they feel safe and comfortable. These small efforts show your love and care, strengthening your bond with your feline friend. 7. Lack of routine. A recipe for stress. Cats thrive on consistency and predictability. An irregular schedule or lack of stability in daily activities can cause stress, anxiety, and even lead to destructive behaviors. How to fix it? Establish a stable routine. Maintain a consistent schedule for feeding, playtime, and rest. This regularity helps your cat feel secure and confident in their environment, reducing stress and promoting a harmonious bond between you and your feline friend. 8. Sudden changes, shaking their sense of security. Major changes like moving to a new home or adding a new family member can leave cats feeling anxious and unsettled. As creatures of habit, cats need time and reassurance to adapt to new environments or dynamics. How to fix it? Ease them into changes. Provide a safe and quiet space for your cat during significant transitions. Gradually introduce them to the new environment or people, using familiar toys, blankets, or other comforting items to reduce their anxiety. Patience and a steady approach will help your cat regain confidence and adjust to the changes. 9. Respecting their personal space. Cats rely on personal space to feel safe and secure. Forcing interactions or invading their territory when they're not ready can create unnecessary stress and make them feel pressured. How to fix it? Let them come to you. Respect your cat's boundaries and allow them to approach you on their own terms. Give them the freedom to interact when they feel comfortable, fostering trust and a stronger bond. 10. Lack of attention. When independence is misunderstood. Although cats appear independent, they still crave your attention and affection. Ignoring their subtle cues can leave them feeling neglected and unimportant in your shared space. How to fix it? Show them they matter. Set aside time each day to engage with your cat, whether through play or simply sitting together. These small gestures of care and attention strengthen your bond, deepening your connection and making your feline friend feel truly valued. Understanding your cat's behavior and emotions is the key to building a strong and trusting relationship. Let every gentle gaze and soft touch from your feline friend whisper to you about a world of love and deep connection. A world that only opens up to those who truly listen and cherish it. Don't let any mistake dull the bond between you and your furry companion. Instead, Embark on a journey to understand, love, and become the trusted friend your cat deserves. If you're a cat lover and want to uncover more fascinating secrets to better understand them, don't forget to subscribe to our channel today. Together, we'll create even more beautiful moments with your beloved feline friend.